Let's convert this Revit in place mass to wonderful rendering shots. Hi again. Today the sponsor of this video is PromeAI, which is an AI image creation platform. The platform user-friendly interface makes it accessible for both beginners and professionals. One of its standout features is the sketch rendering tool, which helps architects and designers turn simple sketches into photorealistic renderings. This is a game changer for communicating design concepts to clients and stakeholders, as it speeds up the visualization process and allows for multiple design iterations with minimal efforts. The tool also offers scene setting, style control, and real-time rendering capabilities to enhance the realism of the output. So, without further additions, let's see how quickly to create an in-place mass in Revit and convert it by some clicks and some seconds into wonderful rendering shots by using the sketch rendering capabilities and feature here. So as you see here, this is just an example from any sketch. You can upload this sketch and by some seconds, maybe not more than 30 seconds, you can create much more of generations as you want. So this is the result of the sketch that I have uploaded, but in this video also I will start from scratch in Revit and show you how we can convert and create in some minutes a wonderful mass in place or any place mass in Revit and have rendering shots quickly. So without further additions, let's go to Revit. So as you see here, I am in Revit. I will start with a new template and start working on this new template to create the in-place mass and start working on it to have such rendering using the AI tool that we have talked about. So once opened, as you see, I will start now going to massing inside, but let's add some levels here to work with it. So I will start to add some levels with this the same offset. Let's add maybe 10 levels is enough to create our mass here as a high-rise building. Let's imagine that. And now let's go to level 1 and go to any place mass, and let's start with this mass 1 environment and start working on this workspace. It's not important to have a precise dimension, but you have to create a mass that is compatible with your design. So you are free here in creating what you want. Let's extend that to the highest level and let's create another one here. From here to here, let's have some creation of this form and extend it to a certain level here. I'm starting just to have the idea, and you are free of what is you want to create from this mass. So this is the main idea. Let's start to create another one and play around it to have our desired design for this mass. So once also ready, you can export it and play around it. So let's start to create another one about level 1 and one about level 8. It's not important. Let's click on both of them and create this form and start to play of that. Let's imagine that we have an entrance here or something like that. You can also click on any of these lines and extend it as you want, above or in the bottom, below, anywhere, to the right, to the left. You are here free to create your own mass in a place. So once ready, we can also click on finish and finish that and return back to the Revit environment. So I am playing with that to have such maybe something like any mesh you want. Now let's go to the visibility and the graphics and try to hide the levels from the 3D just for the visualization. Let's go to the massing and try to give some walls for this mass in order to have some image to export it. So once you are satisfied with this mass, you can go now and let's say create something like a floor. So this is the mass in the shaded style. We can now go maybe to level 1 now and start to create a floor here, and now we are ready. Now we can also create a 3D view by going to camera and assigning a camera here, and you can now see what is your desired 3D view. If you are not interested in this or you want to modify this mass, you can click on the mass and edit in a place and make any modification you want, and then click on the wall that we have created and update it to the face. Now the time is to export this as an image, so let's go and export this as an image as we talked before. So you can now go to the PromeAI, which is the sponsor for this video. Now we can go and sign in with our account, and then you can have your free account. But if you want to get benefits from this, you can also have a subscription for that. You can now upload your image from the sketch rendering section, and we can also write our prompt. Let's go with, you can write any prompt you want, but let's go with a glass facade building and have some description as you want the accurate in your prompt, the most result that you desire that you will get. So let's go with a high-rise building with the glass and material and have some description for that. Now you have the opportunity in this site to have a reference, let's say reference image. So I will go to Pinterest and try to have my own let's say reference image. So let's now searching about what we want if you are interested in something like that. But let's take this one, maybe it is good. Let's save it to our local machine and then use it as a reference in our rendering. So I will choose this as a reference. Now you have the opportunity to determine the style. Let's go with the realistic and go to the architecture and determine our skyscraper mode, and you go with precise mode, and you can also increase the creativity and let the website to create something nice for you. And also let's generate now with 3-1. I have also created something in that. So as you see, it created to us 3 rendering shots for this mass. So if you are interested in this, you can download it. You can go and download it, and then you can play around that and you can modify. So you can download it, but you have a subscription. You can download these 3 with high resolution. So I am going to now download this one. I am interested in this, and you can see the result in the screen now. So this is by fast rendering, fast modeling and rendering using the AI tool, the PromeAI tool platform. We created this. So that's all for today. I wish that you are interested in this tutorial and video, and we will in next videos also explore more and more about this website. I will leave the link for this website, PromeAI, in the description to see and to explore more and more features for this website. See you.